Did you know police officers once stumbled into America's most horrifying crime scene by pure chance? On July 22, 1991, Milwaukee police responded to what seemed like a simple domestic dispute. A young man named Konerak Synthesomphone had escaped from Jeffrey Dahmer's apartment building. Officers knocked on apartment 213, expecting routine questioning. Dahmer answered calmly, inviting them inside without hesitation. The smell hit them first. Something rotting, chemical, wrong. Then they found the Polaroid photos scattered on a table. Images of dismembered bodies, torture, acts too disturbing to describe. One officer opened the refrigerator and immediately stepped back in shock. Human heads stared back at him from the shelves. As they searched deeper, the horror multiplied. Body parts in freezers, acid-filled barrels, skulls lined up like trophies. 17 victims over 13 years, all hidden in plain sight. When confronted, Dahmer simply confessed without emotion. He had been killing, torturing, and eating his victims for over a decade.